Most beginners think Amazon selling is just about picking a product. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your fulfillment method, FBA or FBM, can completely change your profit, stress level, and even your success rate. In this video, you will understand Amazon FBA versus FBM in 2026 in a simple way, so you can decide which one is better for you as a new seller without confusion or hype. Let's start with the basics. FBA means fulfilled by Amazon. You send your products to Amazon's warehouse and they handle storage, packing, shipping, and even customer service. FBM means fulfilled by merchant. That means you store, pack, and ship everything yourself. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most beginners like Alex or Jake choose FBA because it sounds easier, and in many ways it is. But ease comes with cost. Amazon charges storage fees, fulfillment fees, and additional charges depending on size and season. But here's the problem many new sellers face. They choose FBA without understanding their margins. So they end up with less profit than expected, especially on low-price products. Now let's talk about FBM. With FBM, you have full control. You ship orders yourself or through a third-party service. This can be cheaper in some cases, especially for large or slow-moving products. But it also means more work, more responsibility, and more time management. Now here's where most people get stuck. They think there is a perfect choice. But, in reality, the best option depends on your situation. If you are a beginner with limited time, FBA is usually better because Amazon handles everything. You can focus on product research and marketing instead of logistics. But, if you are working with tight margins, testing products, or selling bulky items, FBM can give you more flexibility and control over costs. In a minute, here is a strategy most beginners miss. Many successful sellers actually use both. They start with FBM to test demand, then switch to FBA once they confirm the product is selling well. Now let's talk about customer trust. FBA products often get better visibility because they are Prime eligible. That means faster delivery and higher conversion rates. FBM products can still sell well, but they usually need stronger pricing or niche targeting. Another key point is scaling. FBA makes it easier to scale fast because Amazon handles operations. FBM requires more manual effort as you grow, unless you build systems or outsource fulfillment. So what should you choose in 2026? If you are brand new, FBA is usually the simpler starting point. But if you want control, lower upfront costs, or product testing flexibility, FBM can be a smart entry strategy. To summarize, FBA is easier and better for scaling, while FBM is cheaper and more flexible. The right choice depends on your budget, time, and business goals. If this helped you understand Amazon FBA versus FBM clearly, like the video, comment which one you plan to use, and subscribe for more step-by-step Amazon selling guides.